Welcome to AutoRevive. We bought this $435,000 supercar for just $14,000, an Audi R8. Friends warned me that nobody restores this car and it would be a dead loss. But I said, we've been doing classic car restorations for so many years. As long as it has a single screw left, we can bring it back to full health. Next, watch how we turn stone into gold and let this $435,000 supercar blast through the streets once again. Brothers, let's get to work. Interior completely stripped out, removing the mechanical parts to begin dismantling. Due to the uniqueness of the mid-engine layout, we successfully extracted this massive V10 heart. The engine teardown process officially begins. Look at this severe carbon buildup. Engine teardown is complete. The cylinders and pistons have suffered severe scoring. According to the factory repair manual, they have reached the scrap standard. For a performance car, just pressing in new cylinder sleeves is a makeshift fix. It wouldn't be long before it needs repairing again. So we decisively replaced it with a brand new OEM cylinder block and pistons. tightening to factory torque specs. Brand new OEM parts, installed perfectly into place. Engine assembly is successfully completed. Waiting for installation to see this heart resurrected to full health. Full car color change initiated. With the new year approaching, only red matches this festive atmosphere. Look at how deep and glossy this color is. Of course, we exclusively use German BASF water-based glazurate paint. This quality is the only way to guarantee the perfect final color change. Look at this finish even before polishing. Isn't it glossy enough? Reassembling all parts on the vehicle. The full car restoration is successfully completed. Let's first look at the refreshed exterior and interior. Then we will hit the road for a test drive. Thanks for watching AutoRevive.